नमस्कार फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू द फाइनेंस स्कॉलर। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूनियन बजट जो हमारा 2025 था, उससे रिलेटेड कुछ एमसीक्यू जो कि आपके बैंक एंट्रेंस और बैंक प्रमोशन एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो उसको मैंने कलेक्ट किया है एंड यू विल सी ऑल इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू योर अपकमिंग प्रमोशन एंड बैंक एंट्रेंस एग्जाम। ऑल्सो फॉर इंटरव्यू पर्पज दीज आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर सिडबी एंड एमएसएमई। सो फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं। So friends, first question is the union budget for the financial year 2025-26 was presented on, that is on 1st February. That is obviously all union budget are present on this date. Okay. So which finance minister presented the budget? Nirmala Sitharaman. It was 8th union budget. Okay. Move on to the next question. The union budget was 8th consecutive budget. So what guiding theme? So guiding theme क्या था इस budget का? That was सबका विकास. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question is which of the following sector is not identified as a development engine? So in this budget, what are the development engine? Those are agriculture, MSME, export, and investment. So services are not there. So C is the here we have asked for not. So services are the right answer. Under the Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, how many low productivity district will be covered? So here we will cover, government will cover 100 districts and total 1.71 crore farmer will be covered. Next question is the mission of Atmanirbharta in pulses focus on mainly which crop? So the crop are tur, urad and masoor pulses. Okay. Next question is the proposed Makhana board will be established in which state? So the state name is Bihar. Okay, because Bihar is also the leading producer of makhana in India. Move on to the next question. The interest subvention loan limit under KCC card has been increased from 3 lakh to 5 lakh. Okay, so previous it was 3 lakh, now it has been increased to 5 lakh. Next question is what is the revised investment limits for MSME? So it is 2.5 crore for micro, 25 for small, and 125 crore for medium, and multiply by 4. So what is 10 again 100 and 500? You multiply each investment value by 4, so you will get the limit according to the turnover. Move on to the next question. Micro enterprise registered on the Udyam folder will receive customized credit card up to 5 lakh of limit. This is for micro enterprises. Those are registered in Udyam portal. Moving on to next question. How many Atal Tinkering Lab are planned in government school in next 5 years? So 50,000 Atal Tinkering Lab. Next is the Center of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence for Education will be set up with an outlay of 500 crore. Next question is the union budget propose addition of how many medical seats? So total 10,000 medical seats will be added in next academic year. Next question is under revamped PM Swanidhi, UPI linked credit card will carry a limit of 30,000. So friends, in PM Swanidhi modification is there. So first tranche is for 15,000, second is of 25,000, third is of 50,000 is now, and 30,000 UPI linked credit card will also be provided to promote the digital credit access to support street vendors. Next is the maximum permissible FDI in insurance sector. So it has been increased to 100% from earlier 74%. So this is the right answer. Move on to the next question. As per the new tax regime, individuals will not require to pay income tax up to 12 lakh. And if you include a standard deduction, that is 75,000, then it will become 12.75 lakh. Move on to the next question. Under the revised tax slab, what is the tax rate income between 12 lakh and 16 lakh? That is 15%. Next question is the total expenditure proposed in Union Budget 25-26 is 50.65 lakh crore. Capital expenditure is 11.21 lakh crore. Next is the fiscal deficit for FY 25-26 is estimated as 4.44% of GDP. So 4.4% of GDP. The estimate revenue deficit will be 5.24 lakh crore. And what is the real GDP growth rate for FY 24-25? That is 6.4%. Nominal GDP growth is 10.1%. C is the right answer. So those are giving the bank promotionism. Here is the most important question. That is, Bharat Trade Net primarily aims to support. So here two questions raised. First, what is Bharat Trade Net? So for Bharat Trade Net is a trading platform that provide all kind of trade related information and trade related activities for the exporter and importer of India. Okay, so here trade documentation and financing. Okay, everything will be done in Bharat Trade Net. Okay, to minimize the problems of importer and exporter. Right. Next question is, the Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana aims to improve agricultural productivity mainly through crop diversification and irrigation support. So B is the right. Next is, the mission of cotton productivity has been announced for a period of 5 years. That it is a 5 year duration to improve the cotton yield quality. So move on to next question. The new urea plant announced in the budget will be set up at, so urea plant will be set up at Namrup, Assam. That is already famous for fertilizer infrastructure. Next is, the annual production capacity of the proposed urea plant in Assam is 12.7 lakh metric ton. Next question. Under the new scheme of first time entrepreneur, so first time entrepreneur के लिए government is providing a term loan up to 2 crore. Okay, here in first time entrepreneur, their primarily target is women, SC and ST entrepreneur. So in another objective question, C is the right answer. Move on to the next question. The newly announced funds of fund startup will have a fresh contribution of 10,000 crores. That will strengthen the startup ecosystem by improving the access to venture capital. Friends, if you are preparing for MSME, KYC ML, and digital banking and IT security certification course, videos related to those courses are present in my channel playlist. You can go through it and also follow the IIBF PDF so that you can easily crack the exam. Please like, subscribe the channel. Move on to the next question. The focus product scheme for footwear and leather sector aims to generate employment for 22 lakh persons. Move on to the next question. The projected turnover under the footwear and leather focus product scheme is 4 lakh crore. 4 lakh crore. Next question is, the National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management will be set up on Bihar. So one another board will be set up, that is Makhana board, and here one institute will be set up for food technology and entrepreneurship and management in Bihar only. Next question is, daycare cancer center are proposed to establish in all district hospital within 3 years, and how many daycare center? Those are 200 in 25-26. Move on to the next question. The urban challenge fund announced in the budget carry a corpus of 1 lakh crore. Move on to the next question. The nuclear energy mission announced in the budget focus on small modular reactor. So what government is doing? Government is opening an investment for a small modular reactor so that they can improve the production of the energy through nuclear power solution. Next question. By which year are 5 indigenously developed small modular reactor are expected to become operational? So by 2033. Next is, the Maritime Development Fund will have a total corpus of 25,000 crores to fund boosting shipping, ports and logistic infrastructure. Next question is, Udaan scheme aims to connect how many destinations over the next 10 years? That is 120 destination. And if we talk about the Udaan scheme, that is to develop the domestic airport. Okay. So move on to the next question. Next question is the National Geospatial Mission mainly focus on developing. So it is focused on developing foundational geospatial data infrastructure. One more thing I want to add here in Udan scheme, total 404 crore passenger to be boarded for next I mean in next 10 years. तो next 10 year में टारगेट है कि 120 न्यू डेस्टिनेशन बनाने हैं इस स्कीम में और 4 करोड़ पैसेंजर जो है उससे ट्रैवल करेंगे. और एक यहाँ पे एक और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि जो हमारा सीजीटी एमएससी है उसका लिमिट भी इंक्रीज कर दिया गया है. सीजीटी एमएससी coverage for micro small enterprises was earlier it was 5 crore, now it has been increased to 10 crore. Okay, and if we talk about our this on the basis of this startups, so for a startup it is 50 crores. Okay, so these are the important points you have to remember. Move on to the next question. Gyan Bharat mission is related to manuscript documentation and conservation. The mission preserve India's ancient manuscript and knowledge systems. The projected fiscal deficit, it is a repeated question, 4.4% of GDP. So friends, thank you for visiting the Finance Corner. I hope you like this video. Whatever questions you have, please go to comment box, post your question. We will try to answer your question, and whatever topic you want video, just post it. We will try to make the video on that topic as soon as possible. Thank you.